the next day, after sa hearing, of course, gi-release sad ko nila.
Mhm.
No? After sa hearing, gi-release ko nila. And we filed an appeal of the decision nga ipa-deport ko no ko.
Pa-deport ka. Anong buwan yun?
That was
September
September 2022. September, October
Pero
na.
during that time, yung mga bata, wala na
Wala.
sa'yo.
Ang dalawa, oo, they hide it very well.
Sino-sino yung mga nag-abduct, do you know? Sino-sino yung mga nag-abduct sa kanila?
Allegedly,
Nangilure nila
yeah.
yung mga bata na, di ba, yung sabi mo nga kanina, gusto, tinanong yung mga bata kung gusto nila sa dormitory or sa father nila, then later on, darating ka naman dun sa lugar na yon. Sino-sino yung mga yon?
The workers in the embassy. Do not ever underestimate the strength of a mother. Yeah. Ang iring nga, 'di ba? Yung hilaptan nimong mga kuting. Ang iring, 'di ba? Ang brason gani ni ka anak hilaptan nimo.
Oo. Yeah.
Kita pa ba human being, no? Ako lang good nganong wala ko mahadlok because you know why? I really thought in Istanbul nga mamatay nako. I prepared all my will, I prepared na all my statements, i-prepare na nako pod ang protection in case nga I won't make it on time nga maka-ask ko protection nga mamatay nako. I want the world to know and my children to know as well the truth and na unsa nahitabo nako. And I submitted it to all my friends all over the world sa ako ang kaso. At that time po, dili pa ko ato convinced nga mag-file ko protection because I was hoping ba nga muatras gani sila ba nga kana okay tigil na sila ba okay we leave you in peace Sheena. Mo jud akong gihangyo ato ni Francis. I warned him please don't do this because I don't have any choice. I might apply for when you apply protection you have to be all out you have to be all out, you have to say everything Yeah, because these are your attachments to prove, to defend your rights. Yeah. And I remember itong napriso ko, na nakagawas ko, anak jud ko, i-fight jud din ako. Because dili kay pwede ra ni nila buhat-buhaton sa tao nga walang power sa government. Which normally, ang role, by the way, sa ato, ang government officials sa working in the government is to protect your sovereign people. Diba? Pero sa may naitabo, okay, I can imagine dili lang ako mo'y biktima. I can imagine dili lang ako ang biktima. Why am I fighting this? To give the voice to people who has no courage or who are so afraid to give their voice, no?
Yeah.
Nganong wala ko mahadlok because I'm not afraid of death. Yes. And the moment when you say that, okay, well, kung talagang inaong ko nila nga, patyon ako nila, so what can I do no if that is really your fate? I always tell my kids, especially my son, kay ganahan siya maging presidente one day. But okay, as a child, you can dream that, right?
Yes.
Yeah. But I remember idol man na niya si Jose Rizal. Yeah. Ako siya gina, darling, there's nothing like a hero. Mga ana-ana jud ko niya. So and then mag-analyze ko haloy kaning nahitabo na ako baga fight ko. In a way it's a risk of my life too.
Of course,
Yeah. But is it worth it?
So ngayon na in-out mo na right now sa ating mga kababayan na itong ginawa sa'yo ng iyong former or ex-partner ay influenced by Liza Marcos. Ano yung message mo sa government at kay Liza Marcos na bakit siya nakialam dito sa usaping domestic? Private.
In fact, I'm a victim of domestic violence. But okay, when speaking about domestic violence, it's not just like bugbog ka sa bahay or mukha kang nang talagang kawawa or what. But it's more than that. It's also psychological.
That's right.
Yes. They were hoping by doing that to me, I would go crazy. Sinabi ko yan sa ex ko na, you know what? Sorry to disappoint you, but you failed. To ruin my psychological health, to ruin my mental health, because it only makes me stronger. because I have to fight the rights of my children. Ang
Yeah.
akong mga anak, gaas jud na ko ani.
Mhm.
I know this is their wish. And if my children would tell me, Mommy, don't fight for us. Ale,
Yeah.
you know, but as a woman and as a human being, I would fight for my rights.
So,
Yeah.
anong gusto mo sabihin kay Lisa na nakialam siya dito sa usapin ninyong mag-partner?
Honestly, in 2022, mga around March, I've been wanting to message her as a human being, woman to woman and mother to mother. I was just only stopped because sabi ng lawyer ko, they might turn it around daw. Kasi for
that's
me
true.
ba, kasi I'm so tired of this and I don't have the energy of doing this normally kasi I just want to live peace, normal, you know,
Yeah.
kasi wala man ko involved sa mga transactions sa government, no? But then I want to talk to her woman to woman and mother to mother that reflect this, you know, nga the effects of these actions have cost lives, the future of the children, their psychological health. Sa ato kitang ordinary people, ibig sabihin ba, dili ta maka-assure nga safe ta sa atong country?
Yeah.
Kasi pwede ra di ay ta himuhimuon og crime para mapriso ka and then patyon ka.
Yeah.
Maulang jud ni ang ako ang kuan ba nga. Sana ang mga lingkod diha ba sa government do your right, no? Do your your job,
Your duty to the
rights,
people, yeah.
duty to that what you have promised or
The
oath,
mandate. Your mandate.
yeah, you took to serve for the sovereign people. Maura jud ni ang ako ang kuan. And please stop this na way kay murag. And then after December 2022, we have to move houses. Yeah, I have to rent 2 houses. One house is declared as official address to the government because
Yeah.
sanay na manipulate naman nila ang system po.
Yeah.
Yeah. Allegedly, they know my address. So can you imagine they sent 20 police at my home at the time?
Yeah.
Yeah. 20. Uy, 20 police. It recorded sad na because there was a camera in the apartment.
Wow.
So yeah, they went there to get me. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, what if they are not real police? Nagpulis-pulisan lang.
Yeah. Nag-uniform.
Oo, nag-uniform. You know, I mean, this is so crazy. And then, so, luckily, naami ato sa pikas na balay. And then, after, ito pa, nahitabo, by the way. So, they hide my kids, no? My little boys. Doon ay hearing January 6. Nag-hearing January 6 to for the kids custody. But okay, normally ang Turkey is it's out of their jurisdiction, but okay, let's respect the system. Finally ang judge ni decide because there was a travel ban sa mga bata kay para dili sila magawas from Turkey, because if they're out of Turkey then it's difficult for me to bring them back or to retrieve them. So, night travel ban, and then gilift sa judge ang travel ban.
Yeah.
And I have not seen my kids before the hearing because they forbid me to see my little boys. Kasi syempre, they were asking the boys, etc. Gusto ko ng mga bata mo atog Pilipinas, but the fact is that's not the case.
Yeah.
But finally, the judge said that ang temporary kuno nga custody the little boys kay Francis, but lift ang travel ban. For me, naapa ko'y fight ato, I could appeal the decision, but the moment nga gilift nila ang travel ban, tanawala kung dili pa na planado, it was 5 in the afternoon na sa Istanbul at that time. Wala na ba yung office? Unsa ako pag-appeal sa decision?
Yeah.
Friday afternoon, wala na yung office town, 5 in the afternoon. And the next day, Saturday, wala na. Fly ng mga bata.
So, nag-fly na. Anong date yon?
That's January 7, I think. Nga ilang gi-fly ang akong mga anak.
January 7. After
January
they lift
7.
the travel ban,
Yeah.
nilipad na nila yung mga bata. So,
Yeah.
anong year to? 2023
2023 na, January.
January, okay.
The mere fact the passports of my children are with me.
Yes, isa
Original.
pa yun, yeah.
The original
Yung original
passports
nasa iyo.
of my little boys are with me.
So meaning,
How they managed to get
Yeah.
the document, how they managed to do this and that were in,
so bago pa sila pumunta sa Istanbul, meron ng passports
In fact,
ng
nana
mga
sa
bata na pinagawa nila.
nana sa notes ni Francis.
Aha. Nabasa mo
Yeah,
dun sa iPad.
yeah.
Ano sabi?
Nga kana ang bring in case of emergency ba to? O in case of something like that, emergency, bring the passports of the kids.
Sino sinasabihan niya?
Sa iyang notes,
Notes.
yeah, notes niya. Mm-mm.
Okay.
Sa iyang diary, kumbaga. So, and ko ana, so naglumanay ko, I felt really hopeless, pero akong daughter, grabe kayo. Mommy, we have to find a very, very good lawyer. I have to change also a couple of times lawyer. Kaya kanaang they try to,
Yeah.
you know how it is, yeah, maybe threatened or offer o kanaang kwarta, but okay, allegedly, but when I sensed that, I end the contract and then find another lawyer again. Usahay
Yeah.
pa gani, it was like, kinsa naman lang ako matrust ni, oy,
Yeah.
I could not be a lawyer to myself because I'm not a lawyer, but okay, as a person, I could defend myself.
Mhm.
But it would be nice na a legal person that could advise me this and that. But yeah, but anyhow, so that was the reason nga kanang
Mhm.
ni-fly me og Belgium to apply an asylum.
Kailan ka nag-fly ng Belgium?
11 na ng January 11? Yes, January 11.
No,
January
2023?
2023. Yes.
So meaning, nung inabduct na nila, naging successful sila na-extract nila yung mga bata.
Yeah.
That was what? January?
January 7, 2023.
January 7.
Yeah.
So nung January 11, nag-fly ka na.
Oo, nang apply ng asylum kasi ginasundan na naman kanila, nalaman na nila yung aming, I call it safe house. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, nalaman nila, gisundan na naman kami, gi-record sa Putunako.
Mhm.
Yeah, gisundan na sa me, so we have to leave again midnight,
Grabe.
you know. Kanang bisag asa na lang ko mag-ask help sa mga drivers, ako makaila, please can I stay in your home kay kanang pero I could not stay longer because I don't want also to endanger the people, you know.
Yeah.
So nag-decide na ko kung wala na jud ko choice, pero ni-attempt ko og apply protection sa Turkey, yeah.
Oo.
Yeah, but kanang galing lang, grabe ang influx of applicants in
Sa
Turkey.
Turkey.
Yeah, because
That's why
nag Belgium me
Kaya ka
kay our case is very urgent gyud. Kay ako kani next ani ako na jud ani kani kay nakuha na nila ako ang mga anak. Wala na koy kanang choice but to do that. But I warned Francis December 2022 and I sent him the copy of the video. Yes, katong video ni Lisa to warn him, please don't do this because you know when you apply an asylum you have to tell everything, all the truth, all the evidences you have. So I gave the iPad.
So you give the iPad to the
Yeah.
Okay.
And then to show the proof that these are true and then these are concrete evidences.
So ano pa yung mga nakalagay doon sa iPad? Aside from that, yung plan sa'yo, sa mga anak mo, meron ka pa bang pwedeng i-share na sa tingin mo na makakatulong na malaman ng mga Pilipino?
Sa next kuan na lang siguro nato, no?
vlog
Sa
na.
next vlog na
Next
lang
vlog.
natin siguro or sa akong book. Maghimo sad po kog book. Gi write down nako tanan even to my dreams. And by the way, in meeting you before I have known or I didn't know Bojack TV or whatever, you know, I dream about it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, I was like, oh
paano?
my God. I remember in 23 November, was it? November or was
November
it? Yeah?
2023.
Yeah, November 2023, nag-vlog man ka, no? About the military, was that? The extraction.
The ISAF.
The ISAF and the video, the audio. December, December towards, it's in the mid-December towards Christmas na ganito.
Yeah.
Hindi pa, dili. Kay birthday to sa akong anak, December 12. Yeah. akong amiga gisendan ko niya nga kanang Shina na-expose naman mo. Nakulbaan ko unsay expose in town uy.
Yeah.
Ko unsa may expose in town uy. Na-expose man mo tanawa gisendan ko niya og link. Ko it's about you ko hala no. You know, I remember we're having a dinner, nag-dinner mi sa akong mga anak. Nya nagilak jud ko kay na-reminded ko again, you know, nag-shake na sad ko kay you know kaning traumatic ba itong experience na mo no. O di lang jud na ako ma-express in detail here kay kana ang lisod kayo i-detail pa madugay ang atong interview but anyway gas-shake ko atong nga time ako mga anak pod. All three of us were watching your video. So how come they know? Giunsa na nila pagkasabot? And then so I was you know nahatagan ko og hope nga all the while dili lang di ay ako ang nakabalo sa ako ang case na sa di ay laing tao nakahibalo. So mas natagaan ko og strength bala uy kanang nahibaw-an na jud sa mga tao di ay wala lang jud. Ako wala lang ko strength nga mo pagawas ato nga time ba kay ang akong duha ka anak little boys naa sa Pilipinas and ako kay baw I don't know I don't wanna think about any thing bad will happen to them but me as speaking in public informing people that diri sa Belgium nagfile na sad ko ana o complaint sa authorities nga femicide attempt sa ako kung may tabo na ako kung patyon ko nila even in the form of accident please by all means investigate kay kani ilan ning ginaplano tanan of course you know so pati ako mga anak ko ako po nang gi-appeal.
By the way, hanggang ngayon ba may communication ka pa sa kanya?
I don't have a communication with Francis ever since, pero ang naami communication sa mga bata through the nannies. At the beginning man good, no, when we got in Belgium, I never told anybody good nga naabot na mi sa Belgium nag-apply mi og asylum. Nobody knows. Even my lawyer didn't know. Because kanaang I could not trust anybody at that moment kay pwede man silang mo kisa may na-contact ni Sheena basi kabalo sila asa sa Sheena etc. Pero actually, naibawan naman nila nga naami sa Belgium. Ahead of time, bisang nag-apply pa kog asylum, pero sige lang jud ko og deny. Nga wala mi sa Europe. Ana-ana na po wala mi sa Europe. No? Even sa Turkey, akong mga kaila sa Turkey, wala po sila kay balo nga nami sa Europe. All they know, nga kanaang maybe sa Morocco, nami sa Morocco, yes? Pero sila gi-record sa puto nako naman puto ilang gisugo nga tao nga mag-apply na kuno sila og Schengen visa. Ko shocks nabaw-an jud nila nga nako dire. Mo na ko nya at that time ba wala pa to amo ang results sa protection. Kulba-kulbaan jud ko maayos tanan. And luckily in God's willing na release amo ang protection after 4 months. Yes. 4 months. After 4 months we had May. We have our protection. But all the while atong nga time sila pod gabuhat-buhat na sad sila unsa pa ilahang buhaton nako sa Belgium. Nag-allege po sila allegedly nga naa ko nako sa Belgium but in fact kabalo na sila nabe sila contact sa mga airlines. So kanang so may bawan matrace nila kung asa ka padunga. So so mga September I remember March 2024, September 2023. Gi-interview na sad me, kay nag-claim na sad si Francis nga gikidnap kuno nako akong mga anak diri sa Belgium ga kuan siya nga allegedly kuno nga naa ko diri and also sa warrant of arrest.